guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and a Single Guy with me, your very own Amaru. Now on this episode of Food and a Single Guy, I'm gonna cook a spicy chicken stir-fried dish. Oh yes, and when I tell you that it was super delicious, you've got to believe me. Now, I'm gonna list all the ingredients for you in the information box below the video, so without further ado, let us continue. How's that for a short intro? Okay, you guys, so what I have here is my chicken breast, and you want to cut your chicken breast into nice thin strips just like so. Alright? So next what we're going to do, we are going to season the chicken breast. Now, speaking of which, we are going to start with 2 teaspoons of the cooking wine. Just like so. We are going to continue with about 6 teaspoons of the light soy sauce. 4, 5, 6, there we go. Followed by 2 teaspoons of the dark soy sauce. Just like so. We're also gonna add about 2 teaspoons of some cooking oil. There we go. And last but definitely not least, we're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. So next, of course, we're gonna give this a good stir and coat the entire chicken breast with this delicious marinade. There we go. This is looking good. It is smelling good. We are now ready to proceed. Now, before we move on to the actual cooking portion of this episode, these ingredients will also be added to this dish. What we have here are the red and the green chili peppers. We have the green onions, and we have about 6 cloves of minced garlic. Okay, you guys, so what I have here is my Chinese wok. I'm gonna add some oil to the wok, and as soon as the oil is hot, we are ready to proceed. Here we go. Just a little bit. There we go. So next we're gonna add the chicken. And you want to stir this continuously on medium-high. And after about 2 minutes, we're going to add the garlic. There we go. And the spring onions. And of course, we're going to give it another stir. Now, after about 2 minutes, you're going to add the chili peppers. And you're gonna give it a good stir. And you're gonna stir fry this until the peppers have somewhat wilted, making sure that they don't lose their crunch. Okay? So this is about done. I'm gonna serve mine with some rice. So let us move on to the final presentation. We are going to continue with 6 teaspoons of the light soy sauce. And speaking of which, what about this final presentation? Doesn't it look gorgeous? Baby, let me tell you, it was to die for. I'm not gonna lie to you. And you know me, if my food doesn't taste right, I will share that with you too, because I share with you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And boo-boo, this right here was finger-licking good. Now, if you decide to try to make this dish yourself, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, have a happy rest of the weekend, and until we meet again, my friends. Thank you for watching. See you later.